Hi guys, I'm Gitanjali. Welcome to my channel. If you would like to watch this video in Tamil, click here. Once September starts, Indian festival season starts. It'll go almost until January. While I was thinking of a sweet recipe, one of our friends, she harvested a lot of vegetables and she was so sweet to bring few to us. She brought two big and cute bottle gourds, almost weighing 2 kgs. Bottle gourd is very healthy. People even say when you drink bottle gourd juice, it reduces fat. That's okay, but what we are doing today with the same vegetable which reduces fat, we're going to make a dessert. Yes, it does add a little bit of fat, but still it's yummy. Today I'm going to show you how to make bottle gourd halwa, which is really yummy and tasty. Now let's cook. This is so huge. I don't even know how to cut it. Let me make small slices first. Let's peel the skin and let's remove the seeds as well. I've taken 750 grams after cleaning. Let's grate it like this on the thicker side. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified on my new videos. Now we finished grating. Let's heat up a heavy pan and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now the ghee is melted. Let's add the grated bottle gourd. Let's keep mixing this on a medium flame. Don't leave it for a while because it will get burnt. Bottle gourd has a lot of water content, so we need to cook until the water evaporates. While the bottle gourd is cooking, let's boil 2 cups of milk. We need thicker milk for this, so I've taken whole milk. Once the milk boils, I'm going to add 1 pinch of baking soda to stop the milk from curdling. Now the water in the bottle gourd is almost evaporated. Let's add the boiled milk. Let's continue to cook this on a medium flame until the milk gets evaporated and also the bottle gourd gets cooked. While it's cooking, let's cut some almonds. I've taken about 10 almonds. Also, I've taken about 10 cashew nuts. You can also add raisins, but I'm just using the nuts. In a pan, now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once melted, I'm adding the chopped cashew nuts and the chopped almonds. We need to keep mixing the bottle gourd or else it will get burnt. Now the nuts are roasted to a golden brown. Let's add this to the bottle gourd and mix it. Now you can see the milk has evaporated in half. Now I'm going to add half cup of sugar. The main thing you have to remember for this recipe is that you have to cook the bottle gourd first. The water in the bottle gourd should evaporate, then add milk, let that evaporate, then add the sugar. If you don't do this, the halwa will not be a halwa, it will be a kheer. Let's cook until the sugar melts and the consistency becomes thick. In a toothpick, I'm just taking a pinch of green color, I'm mixing with water and I'm adding it to the halwa. It's absolutely optional. If you don't want to add color, you can avoid this. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and let's mix it well. The sugar has melted and the halwa has thickened well. Now we can transfer this to a bowl. Wow, the halwa looks super yummy. Now let's garnish the halwa with some sliced almonds. Super hot. Super yummy. So delicious with the nuts, and the taste is very nice. It just takes a little bit time to cook, but it's worth the time because it's so delicious. You should try. Please try and leave your comments below. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.